Hey guys, I'm back with another vlog. I'm going to show you what I've done today. It's coming along quite nicely now. I think, well, I hope I'm nearly done at this point. It's day 5. So, um, I've got tomorrow, which is Saturday and Sunday, and we have both agreed that on Monday we are going to solve, at the end of Monday we've got to be finished. So we've got a day to solve, get rid of any bugs and polish a few things up, and yeah. So I will be doing another vlog on Monday in addition to day 6 and 7, which is Saturday and Sunday. So today I've been making this. Well, I didn't spend all day making it because that'd be a bit ridiculous. But it's just a very basic model. I'm going to use this as my ending, so the player will get into an escape pod, and then things will happen from there. This is sort of the main goal, I think. I don't know how I'm going to present the player with the objectives, so I suppose you'd have to find out. I don't know if I'd really just put go find keycards, press that to pick up keycards, go find the escape pod. That's a bit boring really, isn't it? So yes, the basic escape pod model. It looks half finished because this is the only part of it that you're going to be seeing. So it's embedded in the wall basically. So you walk up to the door, you interact with it, and then that's it. You're done. So I'll show you that in game. Also, I'll go over this stuff in a second. If I can find where I put. It'll be here. Actually, I'll talk about this first. I added a little animation to the player, so when you enter the first level, then you'll get a sort of like a waking up animation. So the camera will be facing towards the ceiling at first, but then you'll rise up to normal position, and then from that point, you can take control of the camera, just like normal. Take control of the player on camera. So I'll show you that. So you just drop down there because I was floating. But here's the escape pod. I've added like little emissive textures here. They're supposed to be like engines, but they don't really look great. They kind of just look like lights. I'll just turn the volume down. I've got a flickering light script working, so this just works by on update, which is per frame. It calls a random number, and then if it's below a certain number, then it'll turn it off, and otherwise it'll turn it on. So it's constantly just turning it on and off. It's pretty easy to do. I've added all the doors again. I think we went over that actually, and the doors can be locked now as well. So this one is locked, and it'll come with a message saying the door is locked, just like that. And of course you can find the keys to unlock the doors, which I'll show you in a second. So I'll just return this to the normal position. Which it should be here. Yeah, so that's fine. Yeah, I'll show you the locking doors, and I'll show you other events that I've added as well. So I will build and run it actually. Then I'll turn down the volume when I get into the game because it's loud. Yeah, I've changed the I downloaded a font pack and I installed it, so I just put these in, and it looks kind of nice. It looks a bit better than the default Unity font, which is Arial, I think, so to make it look a bit different, you know. This is the you can see a little sort of pair of eyes there in the main menu. Let's do new game. So that's the animation playing again in the regular position. So I don't know if I talked about these last time, I can't remember, but these are just like little crates I added. The UI elements need fixing as well. Okay, these ones don't because I've already done them, but they were off center before and I didn't realise. So now it should line up like pretty much perfectly. So you can see when I've got the actual, when I've got it over, it lights up just like that. So that's fine. And the same happened to the menus. The little text boxes that pop up, they haven't been fixed. I need to fix the door noise as well, because it still does this. Still not really sure how I can do this. I was going to do the mechanism blend thing. I don't think you can actually access the mechanism variables, so I don't really know how I'm going to do that. I'm probably just going to do a timer by using coroutines and like I forgot about that. Yield wait 4 seconds. I'll just probably just use that. I need to add debris to some areas so this bit is meant to be closed off. So I'm probably gonna have the debris, like metal girders and things like that. So these are just regular doors right now. I'm probably not going to change these ones, but I will add some more locked areas in the future. This is I quite like this bit that I've made. So, listen. So when you come across this event, some footsteps happen, and you can hear those, and also this door closes and it locks itself. So that's not going to be unlockable. There's not going to be a key card for that, I don't think. So you're going to have to sort of be forced to explore a bit more. And this is another event. That light was flickering. You can't really see because it's not kept up for that long, but yeah, that only really flickers when that guy is there. I will change the timing so you can see the flickering better, but this is what the keycards look like. So I showed you earlier the door that was over there, that was locked. So if I pick this up, one of the doors has been unlocked. So I'll go all the way around and I'll show you. I also turned on mouse look smoothing for the player controller. That's just a stock feature again. I don't really know whether I should keep it on or not. It looks cool. Pardon me. It looks cool, I think. It feels a little bit weird to control though. So there we go, that just opened like that. Then that leads to the ending room. So yeah, I guess that's it. Let's go back to the menu. So yeah, so all in all, I did the player animation, the escape pod model. I'm going to add another one of these. I'll just duplicate it, so it just looks like it's a bit more populated, and both of them can be used to trigger the ending. So you just walk up to the door and trigger it, and then it'll take you to a new scene and then play a little cutscene, I'm thinking. And yeah, so what I need to do now is clutter up the area, add more events, and what else? I need to fix the doors. I need to fix the sound on the doors. So I'll probably just use the timing if I can't figure out any other method. So yeah, that's it really. Thank you for watching. Tune in for the next few days. That's been Richard. Right, see you later.